diesel may 700, 720. And also acquire could be 1,004. Yeah, that is over 100% increment. Like before, near to 2 petrol money diesel mono. Of course, maybe 5%, 3%, 4%. And no, I am driver unions no they have in common but some person to transport more. Here shooting it down at the India. I increment in significant car. It's answer near the Tucano, Ushima 30%, and 50%. But it's been March, beginning of March, middle of March, and the first window of April. We increment now, a quite significant and very monumental. And a banner affected the operations of these driver unions. As much as the 25% no more personal, way above the shoulders of consumers. As a true mean, the Dia Cata and money high. And the press. It's a petrol boarding thing. Now, your bus transport unions and almost what I have to go back. It is too much a burden for the average consumer. Into what we are appealing to these driver unions. And it's a common consider now from the current 25 normal now, between 10 to 15 years, it's in order. Now 25 in a year, I'm afraid it's too much a burden for consumers.
Miniapo, and Radano, who said VIP for the statement be about Bonting. And said their workers at 25%, and I know you're they are also going by the 25%. And no, I ever started Yamia Dumoa or China. Now, we are even told, say, and Tokwana Koswono, there is a ceasefire. And even as of yesterday, per the checks I did, now from go on the world market, now and the number $116, $117 per barrel. But as of today, coming into the studio, I'm checking here, then number $93 per barrel. Do you think, sir, sir, in Tesona Abano, and with the current ceasefire and Komoa Air Koswa, the next pricing window, do you think, sir, Fangobo must come down at the pumps?
Yes, in between Israel, US, and Iran. Fire and welcoming news. That time nearby, and if you say crude price, I dropped it by almost 15%, which is significant for us as consumers. However, about immediately,
sure.
Immediately, that effect now, you say prices are numbering. You see, when you are here, I'm afraid, and yeah. Effects in the best is that the first window of May, and now the middle of May.
All right.
Then you meet me and effects in it. But here, the consumers in here, BDs is no craft product, acquired an expensive price. 1,004 and 1,001 now,
yeah.
It's even in the next window I ever come in. One in 3 years, petrol between 15 to 16 cities over diesel 19 to 21 cities, and also over top per liter. And only a projection, change the changes beyond diesel between 19 to 21 cities per liter, which year. The petrol also between 15 to 16 cities per liter.
Okay, so in the wake of all these, in somewhere about dying Ghana for you, say no, the Ghana Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, say then I'm over catcher Ghana for.
About that, but and they say applying so extent a young Shanghai. As I say, on also this meeting, you might be go up a bit near so consumer tax. I'm happy to say government has decided to have a cabinet meeting on this same matter. Now I want to look for the the end of that discussion, the consumer will be the one smiling in the end. Because the unfunny man to claim and then go up claim more in the next window every year. We are at the hack in as earlier practicable, no. Some of the taxes and levies, they must go within the shortest term. Start by a year now review some of these taxes now at the respite kaka and consumers. Between the medium to long term,
yeah,
69 years, you could go Europe and the other countries for petroleum products. We have an asset in the country. Why are we not relying on the assets in the country? Other than say that we are near company petroleum products from elsewhere near the Aba. So the time is right to be making use of the asset, the tema of your review to know Yapakama to and Yakan Yapa be massive to Quaba platoon. Na umina intimi and produce it may give it to me you may okay you may okay or my na Yampire one control your global market ama yamu manufacturer in the end. The I think I can't the onshore na capital injection at all a beginner the bit and now so the CDU, a food distillation unit, desulfurizing unit, when your man, your system will catch now, but now refine it to the octane level, or 91 and or 95.9 now, my mono. How much am I getting me any
Answer na mejawa mo akono. There are two things I want us to look at. Because yes, some levies and some taxes on the products, you know. And was say aban free so now tono yes we hu beto yen. And then secondly, the consumer protection bill na ewo Ghana mrahye bedwam no. Anya bia mo ni di akire. Eno no akwako stage ben I do.
You may say the problem issues of consumers not being adhered to and are respected yes, we've also made improvements into it. It's still a deal. Until there it becomes an accident. It is what it is. But that will always stand in. We hope that applying any the parliamentarians and so how things are going in the country are almost best expedited. The bill no eventually becomes a law by their binding. Tell me, we knew as consumers, you know. If we never with me every year, now you get some level of respect attaching in terms of goods and services. And no some potential we decide about tax and levy.
Yeah.
Last year I find what is called the 1 cedi levy by. Now some 1 cedi levy by the by Okache is on the Quack fuel. Ama sema plant no senior million no yankanya tem ebejina so
yeah
at that time it made sense and no time say as time goes on no send 1% set clause be an church no obey review taxes no and you na too it is a minor but na for everyone no to say and when I say that by extra tax in you are it is in right. It is in the right order. It's say that Brenna me economy 11 cities, and they it in 14. It's quite huge. So it is a ye and you now special petroleum tax and non buying tax July 2016. The original for 5 years. Now 11 years down the line, we get that tax and all. I think the time is right that exchange. So the means are 1 cedi and it's 48% per liter. Both the 1 cedi levy and the special petroleum tax. That means a daily 1 cedi 48% is significant.
Very significant.
Because the tax on petroleum products inquire petrol inquire 40 to 27%. The 148 pesos are a bit reducing the burden on the consumer at the end of the day. So, can't only do okra, name at least until he didn't say, and Yama back to normality. There's some level of stability. No, I suspended the implementation of the collection of the 1 cedi level until such time that we know there's some semblance of stability in the country. Other than that, the consumer will be at the receiving end. That means waiting here that huge 15 letter, just to buy your cacao, the consumer, not on the
Mammy Nasi, but Mammy Carol say, you're about the sub region, West Africa sub region now. Say Ghana, yeah, petrol, 13 cedis 30 pesos. So Uko Nigeria now we conversion now is about 10 cedis 6 pesos. Uko Cote d'Ivoire fuel petrol no 15 cedis 58 pesos and Togo 12 cedis 92 pesos. So it means that Ghana had the crano the toto the sub region one a soroka kra a chain Nigeria any friend is saying Togo country and the Ebono what in Soropano a Cote d'Ivoire.
Binya Obisa, but you see, you keep back a candy to people. Share the pricing regime in the countries are more enough. In most cases, your mom, your friend, subsidies.
Okay.
Maybe you know it's your mind if it is 2015. I buy inside the pricing of petroleum products bill. It's full cost recovery and oil marketing companies in the area. It's all the air, but the two others no one. It is there via you be
okay.
It's the pricing regulations now countries they differ.
Okay.
We are deregulated market. Most of the countries are regulated. Prices in the market.
No, great. And you feel that I will say a call back to the regulated market rather than the deregulation?
I will always go for a deregulated market. In the end, regulation. The car all that legacy debt and then so I remember. But he buying in the film. Oh, there a cabin that you say a carpet. It's maybe I always go for the deregulation. The market will evolve, the market will sort itself out. For one way on the pricing, as market watchers and they will to make sure the global market and the price no cut down. We want to see it reflect here. The cost of not almost one price to may change here. The global prices are all good now. Indeed, any as far as the my
anyway, Mammy now I say pass on my Okwama, Edding Komonyami Shrow ye pa. But yeah, let me also do this particular interview. Now, young family, ye were a year Della Edem, Ewa Humano. So, Della, I like your phone, ma.
Maracumaso.
Oh, I like your Magapo Fiaji. True.
Mazi, a daughter, and never Cavato Tomalo.
Nyatapa. Okay.
Yes, I'm a family for Majoga. Magamoto on the 16th of April, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Okay, Della, you have to answer for all because of engineers and planners as Abri, diamond mines are buying Adane diamond mines at the Amomo. I say, be more Casase, create loot and share. Now, say, no, Minerals Commission, then I'm okay for home.
Linia, made the Asibi. I'm say, Minerals Commission, they do my share. Yeltsna Asi, Mayan share in Traten, Mayan fat, pre, and no many a year. And the minister in my mandate of a committee, and a committee, no, I can't say, Obian in Crata, Embra. Now, one of the reference points I have given in our committee is your mining companies, the map of a hawk and a bit to go to the record. Now we want to change the narrative. And see, by so doing, what we decided to do, they said, this time, mining company, they were about 30 years. The amount of miners are 30 years, Bruni, or two of the Sicanoco, lower two of the good local brutally. The sanity, this time, you take Ghana near. Or one thing, and instead would be a witch engagement. And no was one of the reference points to the committee. And the committee was chaired by one of the deputy chief executive officer of the Minerals Commission. And in Tomotrans, we no opinion tendering. And said, none of 4 companies. And I will try a day woman crata at the tools. I'm saying, yeah, quite names auto would be let me about the 4 companies in the woman application they to 2-1. Must start to say, yeah,
okay, the 4 companies. My members of 4 companies, when we now Ghana for, and I say, now Abrofono count.
But I see the 4 companies, meaning now Ghana companies.
Ghana companies.
So, 4 Ghana companies.
Pacho, ubeti ya mbo mudi.
Ghana, me planning, me scan, me document,
okay.
No, we do now.
Sure.
No, we do natural.
Sure.
24 companies, any companies are almost apply. Apply, and I say, you do through processing. And the processing it, so I applied there. Let's say those who do documentation, tax clearance certificate, and all those needed requirements in every in Abba. So what the sign woman in Abba we are not say you move on to stage 2.
All right.
Over the first stage, yes, so for more company, your filing fee, with the VAT clearance certificate, your salary and all those things, correct. And as our 2 companies, almost to me and Fawoma.
Okay, 2 companies, men are going to be for money, madam.
Vortex, and then I'm looking at the document in it for Hasi, and I may fire and Kama, Mabubo, actual.
But I think we can proceed. Unsakana Udia and automatically those 2 companies, during the process, they fell out of the process, right?
And yes, I don't know. Out of the 4 companies, the first stage, 2 companies, it's toy. And it's our 2 companies, it's toy. I'm saying,
all right, that's fine.
But companies and I know Mariposa Mining Services Limited.
All right.
Mariposa. And the second one, you Vortex Resource Mining Group.
Okay.
Vortex. And the third one, you Hit Goldfields. Hit Goldfields. Ghana Limited.
All right.
And Engineer Planners Ghana Limited.
Okay.
And it's our company and 9 and a woman crack 32. Now, I didn't cut 2, not the verification first stage, and no money issue. And so we are no pass here. No, for the next stage. A valid tax clearance certificate.
All right.
Valid Senate clearance certificate. Valid VAT clearance certificate. Valid certificate of incorporation, and a payment application of 100,000 Ghana cedis.
All right.
And when we require what to me and what's really the first stage.
Okay.
And say, and a 2 company, and to me and call woman.
If I talk companies, being up.
Let's check Mariposa Mining Services Limited.
Okay.
Any Vortex Resource Mining Group.
Okay.
One and engineer go through the first stages of. Board of directors here come to the Ghana for. The proof of wholly owned Ghanaian registered company with registration document indicating current directors, shareholdings, and beneficial owners. And it's a company near Ghana for a Ghana company. For directors here Ghana for your current directors, shareholders, and beneficial owners. What we not count, what we are Ghana for? What shall we are? Yes, if our valid tax clearance certificate limited.
Okay. And you know, so I'm called the next stage. What really transpired that settled on engineers and planners say, I'm going to contract in our mom.
And you call the next stage, like I said, the next stage suggests to say we were looking at relevant experience.
All right.
Applicant information, technical and general experience, specific experience in a similar project environment. And the last point,
yeah.
The party wants to go for none or you tomorrow. Dama mines, I a very huge one. Our reputation.
All right.
And to say a Ghana company, they are over to Cuba. And see your company on those one dinner. You mean to say our experience, our international see, and that was one of the things. And you do good too. And to the next stage, methodology and work plan. A quamben son of our start to go, Let the good don't send it so a one bench and I won't number my essay. You go send our manager quality control services. And also a share. And a qualification and experience of key staff. Or staff, I won't know you, one qualification or experience way. And so when you need now what you like is one of my effect. And he said, yeah. One more staff, one qualification, one experience, and then went key staff. But for you, any call facilities, equipment, materials, and consumables.
All right.
Just equipment, now one day to say now consumables, facilities, equipment. And see, the sign of money in our share, make us saying in our sign of making in our over. Meaning over 10. Meaning over 10.
All right.
Meaning over 10. In the any about compliance with safety and health environment standards and then local content. In the over 100 and you rate you call the next stage, and I said the tendering committee, the one awarded point. About the technical experience between heat, Goldfield, any engineers and planners. Why no one yet? Why no what technical people are saying about what they want?
All right.
Now you do one. And say. No, but
we'll be glad. We'll be glad if you can share the marks with us because it's very, very important. Because in Koboy that bontin and I say, because we're president, so let's take a listen to the marks.
Relevant experience.
All right.
Applicant information, technical general experience, specific experience in similar project environment. And no, my point.
All right.
And the engineers and planners. First one on your 10 over 10. Second one on your 10 over 10. Applicant information, technical general experience on your 10 over 10. If you go to 8.2. 8.2 over 10. And over specific experience in similar project environment. Engineers and planners now 38.6. And a heat go to now 18.4. It means that we share a Juma track record of engineers and planners. They've been in the mining sector as far back as 2002, working for Goldfield Ghana Limited. All the mining companies in Ghana have used engineers and planners before. They do say, what who experience, how many companies now in Juma over 10, 20 years. And she said, no, or what the experience, no, and actually, that is Bakunya 38.6 and Bakunya 8.4.
All right.
Well, for you, really, a methodology.
Okay, methodology.
Then I would be go to weather.
Sure.
Yeah, but over 10, his goal is now 6.2, and engineers and planners now 9.0.
Okay.
And the qualification experience of key staff. Yeah, about key staff. What you say? One more Jumano, woman name yet is saying. One more woman or staff from our woman, or when you will mind the woman experience already. Woman will be on my Jumada. Woman of what to go to name companies I can say you Jumada no matter when change. Send we wanted to know that background. I honor your check here, also over 10. His goal is now 9.2 over 10.
Okay.
And engineers and planners now 9.6 over 10. The really call equipment and facilities. I'm saying, and I had the most important place. Another a D his goal fields in here.
Okay.
As I said, social facilities, equipment, and material consumables. No. Equipment, no. But engineers and planners in machines are any more equipment, any facilities, who rate you over 10, we are 9.8.
9.8.
And I think go to now 5.8. And so we share the capacity of engineers and planners in terms of equipment, facilities, consumables. What you say, oh, the new crafting. Let's go first. We can craft them anymore. And no, any deal because over the to say local content over 10%. Engineers and planners now 9.2. And his goal to say 9.4. If you have a local content, his goal is our local content or more advantage over engineers and planners.
Okay, so maybe we want to find out why. And local content near then let's know. Local
content in say or your Ghana or experience with that. Our nipa hin na wafa omo no mu ye adwuma. Ana say wo no mu ye adwuma in the sector. And see ofa omo local content. This process already omo operating at one mine in Ghana. His goal
yeah.
Oh, the Bogo Taka for branch any of his goal to say a problem credit.
I remember.
They are already in the mining sector in Ghana.
Oh, okay.
I say almost started 2025 year almost started Womajuma. And she said, "What Nipa Woma Fawo Momu Juma. If you compare to engineers and planners, now Nipa already in the mining sector, no Yoma Fawa. Engineers and planners in Crawford.
Okay. The ladder, Maminda was saying, and you know, sir, you come max nina abomwa. Engineers and planners, engineers and planners, Wamunya saying, and the other group no so enya saying.
Professor, you know. When you know, they hear super baby. I
Sikasem.
One of the Gina when yes, one of them the Gina which one of them the Gina which Emma would be a Jumano. Engineers and planners, it me shows they can raise $500 to $600 million.
Oh, okay.
Eddie Abaye Jumano. One bank say Gina Absa Bank and Stanbic Bank.
All right.
And these two companies guaranteed say yen any Gina engineers and planners.
Okay.
You seek a sem you make me a rise $500 to $600 million for them to do their job.
Right.
And so if you ever rate the engineers and planners they are 93.15.
93.15.
93.15%. Any dunya ODBT hit go fields.
Okay.
Emma Odinya the business.
Okay, now fit go fields, you know, one more the total and I saying.
Now, a bedroom on the who qualify the next stage, you move to the next stage.
Sure.
Into 1 year, will be now his goal first, and seek a seminal our form. And it's a Sika seminal or form the na you do call with Nimua. And yet so you stop there.
Now, the light, Okaso Musika, some no form one. Sang Nana and come some betting me that saw a Jumana. Not only a chitaphobia now, but so mumu, not almost so my Jumana, not said there. But
and a honor now, like I said, it is not within me to prove. Woman has to prove say, you were merchant bank, and I say you were SOMPA bank. I will generate your multimedia Sikawi.
But I'm prove
Ababa.
I'm prove
I want a problem at time. And say they could not prove. So once they could not prove them, you do not proceed. If you want to bear 80%, you cannot proceed to 100 when the person has stopped at 60%. Then we can sort it. Yeah, go 100. Offer ultra 10 and you go 20.
All right.
Ultra 20 and you go 30. And the bedroom, whenever go to the financial terms, so that the rating stops. So we proceeded with engineers and planners, and eventually the overall score is 3.15%.
The lad, I mean, never say, but answer the Bejawa Mwakon would also want to find out from you. Now, one of them constitute a panel, no?
Maybe, but we answer Namako. Yes, started tendering process, and you can say, Obia person will go through process in India. So we have 10% before you best score. I do 80%, and son I score. And it's a 70%. When you 80%, you score one, and you eat. And you know. And you drew the third stage or the third stage, you know, his growth is engineering at the 80%, and then you cannot score them eventually. So eventually, engineers and planners were scored.
Okay, so
that question is
yeah.
One of them the formal
panel now.
The composition of
the panel out. The scoring, you know.
Oh, Minerals Commission in Penny 4. And a rep from Attorney General Department only a no voting right. And some senior members are on the Minerals Commission. It was chaired by the Vice Chairman, Deputy Chief Executive Officer in charge of small scale mining at the Minerals Commission.
Okay.
Mr. Ekru Maxwell. On the chair, the whole committee, you know. And then there was somebody from the Titles Committee. There was the chairman. Or a Deputy Chief Executive Officer in charge of support services was also a member of the committee, and then somebody from Attorney General Department, and then the Director of Industrial Mining, or Pedro, also was part of the composition.
All right. By now, so if a year go first, why am I there?
His go first, I mean, and maybe at the same committees in the media, normally some publication, they are back. Say, Coborado for the baby and then the partners there.
What does the available document suggest? What does the available document suggest?
The available document. ABOTCHIE?
Yes, Dela.
The available document available to us does not suggest.
But it suggests something. What does it suggest?
What it suggests, you know, I do not have the permission of my bosses to put it out there because that is not the subject for discussing this afternoon.
The Lamarco Aquarosia. The Ladam, the PRO, hey, page. They are more from a base. They ever do any page? Base for what I say. You can't base. That's just a base. Now, Benjamin, I don't base. That's what shall we need to cray. One here. Oh, they are dying. What about this year? Sasuna Ali Ibrahim, so, you're dying. What about this year?
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello. Oh, what's your Akuba? Messi or Bodjuma Crasser Canenoa. Now what do US want some man for Bondin Sana? Hey, Papa, US a Hakuradi. Nano could just company limited at Jibebia. One more Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. A bad dance Yamadia. Obia sin Nano could just company limited. Namatissa will be a depoke CB, Ewakasua. I want to be a kutua dance Huniama. Na ayano Papa. Oh, and a police station in Chanhua. Hey, a Kuabas a pass Kumasi. And about Conso Pocras and Cranha. Or Biase, Nana Kodoja see a Bemaba, our dancing, or to cement, iron rods, banding wires, and I do a plywood and just said about dance. To say BB, they share a dance here, said the Kobe. The pony answer, a to football, would go come more, what could you free? Accra we can swat the pool, and the Pocras the Anocra Twinchaya. Was our boo a Quaterman, Tantra Hill, Iron City. A man from was a beer depot so our Koshiman, Kumasi Sapasi de Porocra and Chenya, a Biswa magazine road, head office no. Were beer depot so our Dientum, a Joshua Crowd road, from a opposite Alaji Celia, and Papa Meboshan. Tanoso Brahma room. Numbers of man for the fray 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 9393. Nana could just company limited. Hey, a Kuabas in Primono.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. Enam nensaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro nyankopon kasa chenemba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the spirits of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service entra wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda ni nyina share radensa na erade beye.
Ewra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag mi.
Bra, aden, enan so biem.
Hey, time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kwin. Ani wayi mi ensen.
Bra, sanya time heba me hya, esia gye me ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time heba me hya, me ka se me di wa dance ya heaven ene de mekwa akopie. Enti se malaria, we draw ne time heba mixture.
Enye enunku o, de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no. Time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma wo. Oba a wafa afuro de wo ma akwada no fo. Ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma, hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa. Se upetam heba mixture enuro dudu atu a, fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba akoso wo atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi ubenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Eni herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo, set time no TIME. Time heba mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu ako.
FDA aji ejwadie nkratu yi atu.
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o. Ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hagia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fre ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi enye ni bisa dabi Hagia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 anasa 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na would them
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nan asia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nko a wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 054540311311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert. Aha! Yes, can you hope you move? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na ube kojo. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa akoton. Wo bra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
O say price no. Ubetu na wo kwa na wakwa akoton. Eno no se wonya woni ma na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby aye no so. Eya ho ne die nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis per.
3 Ghana cedis per.
Joe's Bakery, Jome, your commercial bank at Chihuahua, the open to it. Now, a friend 025-60-68832. And you say, dear, Joe's hot king cabinti, and one is a uber 2 ya. Now, would your quack see what corner hot now? Joe's hot kinky, yet dear bow punano, way a year pops.
Abusha for Ekoso Adamasema Bakwa Baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country, exactly 22 after 4. Time fast spent in studio. We have Ali Ibrahim. He communicates for the NDC.
Yeah, maybe what about so? Sir, what hit the part? Imagine say Obi Oti Ebiano. I mean, has what you near Massey. The way why explain the clear? What's I'm pushing ye? I'm not answer. You know, a lot of questions about it.
Sure.
So it should bring the finality to the matter.
Sure. Lawrence AJ Ewaha na the base movement na Abano or you one of the Mpenyipa or more Edano or Kasama the base movement. Na Mami Mao Akwaba. Lawrence, that's saying.
Aduma.
Oye Juba.
Drumo.
Now base. Say no cray.
Of course.
No crepa. Mu be boy juma ho.
E be boy juma papa.
Mu free MPP mu na e ba e ho.
Oh, there be a movement, independent movement. Go from MPP, NDC, CPP, every corner.
Every
corner.
I think this is your first time over here. Oh, yeah, this is your first time. Okay, but I am trying to picture my wife. We won't take a picture, mommy. Benjamin Asari, the governor.
Prof.
Governor, let's say.
Prof, no, you're now there.
We have a hold here.
About the Daruma, and your bokosa. That's what he has.
Opposition heading.
Oh, yes, sir. Ghana for Yashem Kwasumu, Yamenqua.
Ghana for Shenqua.
I saw Kraushem Kwasumu.
Me.
4 years in it.
And Kwasum.
2 years are now or now top your tobacco, say. And now top your tobacco, say.
Pure
now for car from St. John's, Cosseca, say.
That's a pure Tanametono.
Sachet water.
Sana, Mirastono.
Now, Tony say.
Me told 50 pesos.
And I say, Tony say.
Say, me told 50 pesos.
Okay, until you Kwasumu.
There be meaning Kwasum.
No problem. Men for me, idea, so say, we interview now, boy, and no dear. What boy, Juma? What say, you can't the number one. Political host in Ghana, CCRDA, or your top notch, Obi anyone more.
Oh, there be.
The energy and the research you always does before asking questions, you know, it's superb. And in fact, a lot of people are talking about you.
Oh, sir.
And you could see, say, you have the interest of Ghana at heart.
Sure.
And now question in the interview, I'm here who clear, say, along the line, no, with him say that the contract was cook. And give to
and interview am here na said the contract.
Oh yes, as na say we drew baby was say drew baby no na aka one man's horse straight race our name musa. Ebusa nze ono ni total score ya he o say ndi onim. Na ni ori ni ye ni total score ya dey ayan dia 93.5%.
Yeah.
Na me no wo ye exams a chese me manya marks ni bi. Atibida. But nne ma we champion no. Nti no koso ana you adwuma ne sa say. Nkofo na ma me corrupt so say no mo corrupt other people na dia.
Asamba na okay. Why am not corrupt me?
A lot of the media personnel has been corrupt by the NDC.
By the politicians.
By the NDC government.
By the MPP NDC.
NDC, we are talking about a party that's in power. What to media for no do na ene no kure de no kure. Say ye nya wo so bia ye ntiment no kra wo Ghana ha. Omo ato omo. Omo ato omo mu nyina na onte na omo kote WhatsApp group omo de journalists ni CSOs fo nyina egu so. Amawante.
Okay, so let me start from you. A quick comment on the interviews now my year no or the two interviews. One on the petroleum issue and then the second one on the acquisition of diamond mines, you know. Then I can let's
me that's it. Menchi house nkona menchia etiefo ne ahwefo a omo agebre na omutie ye na menchia me seniors nso a me no omo edi dwuma awie anwumre. In fact omo nyina ya me first time a me no omo edi ahyiamu. I think say senior my
Ali Ibrahim do ne shiada
atenka
atenka
pen. Yes ntino me chia omo nyina senior. In fact ya chechire o man na edurumre bi na se amanyokuo wonsem bi a wo kan wo opposition no se nyame ya dom na se unya kwanya na se wo baba mu a no ho na pachew na kire se bi a wo kan sem bi a na ni kwa se wo kan abra na wo opposition like former president Kofo e kan se Yura Jelly Jones Lawrence ministers dodo a wodi bu o man no no oba enya de a wodi that number of ministers no ebedi dwuma oba aban mu wie ye no a obehu se nsem na o kan opposition no na sebi o na emfa ne kwam nti obepa pa Ghana fo nyina achew sa asem na o kan ye ne yemfa nche no e ma Ghana fo de che na abochi from time wa yeru akofo ebepa achew obie ni ho no mo obo asem no so da including both sides unya ye say President Kofo ababa be pacho inti ende wa. You see, ni ama Ghana fo bebre eye worried ne say Ibrahim Mahama ye Ghana ni inti say owo pepa no e wa hoɔden no se obetimi aye adwuma aborɔfo ye e di sika no ko mu kuromu a ka ne papa mu no esese ye de ma na ka eni kwa se asem bia ye dey e ba ho because watimi requirement here ni nyina no so woni bru abrofo kra na e compete a watimi ayedai ago ni nyina mu apase nti wo sefata say ye di dwumadie no and I don't even have any problem say ye de Ghana ejapade adwuma ama Ghana ni ani nua ye president me come ni problem bia
now problem na wo na
because ye kasa nyina ye can capacity
sure
and one bia me site ni na ye se machine baako 3.5 million dollars or baako 120 machines no ye di adwuma o me huni nyina ye show ni nyina so you could see say he has the capacity adwuma na da honom se omra ye de ma na ye no ye betimi ama na ye but me problem ne say ade ne emire bia no Ghana japade bia wo mamu ha bia President John Dramani Mahama ebedi akonwa na ni nua ne show interest me problem ne ho ne wo because president in the first term obaye na kode ma no kra yihini box side ode ma ni nua no ye ba ye ne hu say even though ode ma no omo anko parliament kra anko siki parliamentary ratification was our contract na ye de man no Supreme Court to catch say dwumadie na ye wura president fa so e de Ghana japade ma ni nua no wamfa kwan papa so na de man no e na ye gi sa dwumadie no efiri ne nsam nya kakra sika nko a president sa ba konwam bie mu a ni nua sa show interest
ba so
am yes ade amano
obekaya wabra ye de sa mining lease in the mark gold fields no omo mining could do baby no mujaye answer no musa come back so bekai
me kai pa it doesn't stop the fact say omu wie no president John Dramani Mahama you are president ni na take over
and one more you know so expire I think on it will be expiring on the 18th of April
fa ne say me say mines no ejapade na si ho se me no ka se obi ani wo ye dwuma wo so anamboa se go face okọ
yeah
iti Ghana ejapade na si ho no na ye nua Ibrahim Mahama a ni nua ye president a show interest and ye de ama no so omfa nkonko ye dwuma because our capacity no
enti anka mo na mo aban mu a anka Ibrahim Baya anka obenya sa contract
and no na me ka kire wo say ka Ibrahim Baya ko obenya contract ni in extent say ye MPP ni ena nanado danko akufu ado tia konwa so ena wo capacity ne said den ena ye de sa adwumadie ne ma na e de na ka senior man ne sameja mfini ye wura president e de na ko mo beka e de pa na ko mo beka wo kromu a amo beka se conflict of interest because ni nua no ye president nti ena ye kuku ne ye de ama no sa no mo beka nti ene obi make the same assertion a nipa na onye wrong because near kamo beka no ebi akamo de ombeka na west enso me gira Ibrahim Mahama say ye de dwumadie ni ma no na se beboa Ghana for no no ombe adwuma sika na o kan ho asem no owie beba wo mamu ha ke ye ne papa mu a nti na make say ye ya manyosem na so wo opposition na se o pa kwanya ababa mu a ya ye nsusu nkasa nkansem akese na wonnim ne elections e wom ebi ana wonsem na wo ka no na wonim se o ka ya politics ya akeke ne bia sa me ahyehyɛ sɛ sa amre no na bra konwa be fa konwa no na bedi wo man no so enti wonsem bia wo be ka wo opposition bia you should be measured and someone you are president and then the ministers and then penifo ne wo mo ya adwuma wo e opposition kan wo mamu ano unua ka ne ekomu nyinaa enye wo mo nsem wo mo kan ya kenya de ye problem yemfa LGBTQ+ in example Sam George akachire say a vote for Bawumia and Napo is a vote of trumu. Sam George, na president tenenchape ne rally kase oye odingo pram.
The then candidate Mahama.
Yes. Say a vote for Bawumia and Napo is a vote for trumu. It is a moto abama Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ne Matiopoku prempa. Omo di trumu na ebo omamu a. And President Mahama will know no peace. So oba na se wa ma me pass LGBTQ+ na President Mahama will know no peace from ono Sam George. As if the President Mahama Sam George na kwala no kasa no anyhow. And we wini aban we wini power no ye de wo man na hye wonsa LGBT+Q president say nya ne priority ehia no oda nya no ho kra no odwene
da bi wanka say ehia no
o say enya priority enya ne priority
enya asemo ehia sisi ya
na say ehia no asemo ehia sisi ya na se ye kan say ehia no president say sa LGBTQ+ no enya asemo ehia no oda wonwene ho
da say onim say bill no e da so parliament
baby president no meka ya me ba ha na meka ye wura president meka na sam say sebe menye president ni nia ya na obi no montemase abra na bill ni ya private members bill no president shi akraji no ka kiro mo say private members bill no kra no problems bi bebre wom enti ono president oba be sponsor government sponsorship bill no the parliament send your be on be speedy up no watimi assign sa bill no
enti
wo wie ye no government bill na so was sponsor no up to now yemfa hwenko attorney general okra so onya adwuma the president no eyadea when it comes to certain issues abra no
enti no patch say o mampanyin odi eye ntro o kai say okọ UN General Assembly na or move a motion on this reparation stuff no or can be say the bill is still in Parliament. And of course, the Speaker of Parliament, say, by the end of the year, no, that bill will be passed. Today, I was also listening to the local government minister, and he did also say, the bill is in Parliament. You are not aware of that?
But common sense will tell all of us to say, ya bill. Momoji to mu say ya bill, eda ho ye wie. Nti President Akufo-Addo nye dey on sign. Bill no ni wo mo say ya wie o. Nti ne na say President Akufo-Addo ya ne say o sign. Meboa. And na President an sign. Say asem ne ye de ko Supreme Court.
Then ma President an sign.
Omo de ko Supreme Court.
Then Nana Santi bedu to
kan. Catch re obi am obi ati asem no ye de ko Supreme Court. Nti say Supreme Court ni asem ni wie ya. President cannot assent ni signature also. Simple, so I no kind.
All right,
so whether good, I want to fancy here. Whether good or bad, President Akufo-Addo one sign, and NDC for my yet as he say, Omo Kambo Muma Be ni ye. Intika, senior man. What about Bemuno? Say Be na da order. Other president can one sign.
That's a new parliament altogether.
And you
new government altogether.
Me say NDC for my yet as he say Be no ye. Akase president ne be sign. San NDC for my yet here. In fact, MPP for also be can be say ampa be ni aye dey ye wie. Nti wo mo de kwa komo mampani Akufo-Addo no aye dey na wa sign. And na President Akufo-Addo anye dey an sign. So
ma te say ebi mu eka say adia ama President Akufo-Addo former one sign and say omo sheda she nkrofo bi echi and omo de asem de court Supreme Court.
Maneka
Amanfo
keka no problem. And I make say ni nyina
basanete
ni nyina ho ahi.
But what is asem?
Me say ni nyina ho ahi na.
But what is asem?
Ni nyina ho ahi na Ghana.
What is asem no?
Ni mente wona wo kan ti once a waka na mejudi. Wona wo ka sesi a. Ni nyina na ma Ghana fo. Ehye Ghana fo abufuo. And wo mkoto abadi tia New Patriotic Party.
Mame na wase. Time herbal mixture medical catch us ahoban boy dro edaso odwaman so ube hia bi etridi yade malaria fever basa etobetwa honam nyina ya wo ya time herbal mixture na time HH capsules and then the mixture na de dutwem memedro medro bema gina so se bema na mpono wa hemfie ho ne man hyedan koye wodwunso na dwunso no ba piece time HH mixture and then the capsules ma mensan ka obi so oba ma wa hemfie ho no nye kuma bi ema carbon bia ma ho se wo pese eho no siesie no se de be ya ohini eba ho a nani bagie a time HH mixture and then the capsules enemu nsa ya de bia no ekutia eno paneduro mu afa ore kire o kansi drug lane and now person Dr. Tefrija edin koma 0244176669 na saka bi so peba ko bi ato a drugstore pharmacy shop bia ben obia no ade a won sa beka Maminka will say 21st clinic minimum can say the sciatica originator edin sciatica no what here da na e wo Ghana ha say 21st clinic anka din we anka wante the sciatica patients wo mu anomotimi tia sciatica yade no wo mu so no ma ya hwehwemu o sciatica yade no enti mpacho say wo ho na wo sere ba ko ye wo ya wo nan ba ko ye wo ya fru sisim na nam utumponum na besi unase eya wo ya me pacho eje se wetie aduro bia so untie aduro bia so me pacho eye yade sa yade no eye sciatica obi anto aduro eye sciatica ena enya nwie enya stroke ti bomoden na fa weni kire eye 21st clinic na koja yarehwe wo mo kwa no metimi ahwe na ohwe 21st clinic ewo Accra ha Omo Tantra Hill Runabout. Tama. Womo ni Roman Catholic Church no. Ene ben so. Sa wo hwe mo kaso a womo wo eye edwafofro no obuom kwan no so. Kumase omo ehwa overseas baby SOMPA FM wona ho na obehu omo. Hwe mo sunyane bia ni hospital gate no regional hospital gate no first gate no di hwe anymore. Tachiman womo wo ankan GN bank no baby ana mo ho ana mo enkransa mo ben krankra park no children's park takwa womo ni Roman stores de di hwe anymore. Takrade womo wo efie kuma no night station na Kaise 21st clinic womo clinics ne bi so brekum goso and Obuasi Ghana half an MB Biaba 21st clinic from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 21st clinic also ya better was sister waso yasre and dewie. Now Ali Ibrahim, I mean to on this before menko menua a base movement for nche.
Menua bema abochi meda was
sure.
But there was a united ase and say manosema ye no mamu ha no. We are growing near manosema ye. Nebi bia no was say dia manosem because asem bia ba na wo de why wadwen say asem no wonim pefe say wakumam se beboa Ghana. Na because of wow parochial interest in no wo pese dia manosem you end up exposing yourself. And at the end of the day, Ghana for take you serious. And no na ya be display hey. At the end of jitum say Ibrahim Mahama. I mean, yedia man no ebeboa o my Ghana. But enam say I mean Ibrahim Mahama said by virtue of he said the brother to the president of the Republic of Ghana. And yeah, one more conform be the tender. Don't me 4. These are all credible, local Ghanaian companies and companies made abwa. And see one more ebie Tinka MPP for money more beer. I mean, all Acadia Sefata, bet me a year, Jumano more than any of these 4. Then the sim will quiet 7 funding back for Emra. Out of this, 2 any a year more engineers and planners and Hitfield Ghana Limited. Engineers and planners we be an woman 93.1% and Hitfield and 63.5%. Clearly, no, not the beer, then I didn't dance face engineers and planners, and a sefata se was say, ya the Emma. Ibrahim Mahama share the engineers and planners as somewhere around 1997. MPP Ababa, Echo MPP Ababa.
I remember
1997.
Yeah, but yes. Former President Rollins. Wabra na or Wabem.
Yes.
Kufoba Ekrano or Sanya contract.
Yes. So why then was here DBBIA man yourself? Why? MPP for why? And somebody not even a single thing I walk room ha to say a bit boy my Ghana namo and also. I think say ye name the omoki ka you say ye a position on just say one matra ma che one more name the omoki ka omoka and some asebi and semfata. So we are focused as a nation. You will GDS as a party NPP NDC no before say be leave office no na nyuma hodo bebre sebi preduasa ama foreigners and take charge no. Our focus is to ensure say Ghana for so ebenya the opportunity to hold such nyuma because as see na quiet adoso on several occasions Goldfield Ghana Limited musika omunya I mean, kakrebi ne ha. One may juma no ha na afedi omo dia across South Africa. Na yes obo the investment ahodwo in their country. Na se ne aban papa ba na yes we nyina nya de beboa. Ye ma obi a wo experience a wono so de abrofo no tibi ye no. Wono so betimi aye nti no. Ye mfa ma ye fa ne say Ghana ne a musu boe montiate conflict of interest. Modit yo we na modit to oforiata de ho. Ken Oforiata na oye finance minister of the Republic of Ghana. Data bank na our shares wom oye director obi na appointment no twe ne ho but he Ghana ni a onye public officer wono de wono oye the crown joma oye the nua na ye president keke but me nka say because of say the bibi sa man no the president nua a conflict of interest. I don't know meaning how the NPP as a political party said they almost say fanioma conflict of interest no wa he data bank
but usmu nyindi say mo so no o mampanyin ankasa man ho kwan ama enkrofo catch they say conflict of interest and the reason why they cite that is that say no mampanyin tu kwan a o isini nua jet no di tu kwan nya mo na mama ho kwan
na bone be na wo say President Mahama etu kwan a odo was say oba ye se kanu maye ne basa nyoma nkoyie enti won pese wo bebo omaneka won pese obesua president bia oba ye kanetete. I mean recently I mean only know dware wiem every hour bia sika pudu anu otwia taxpayers money nyasem ketwa wo se we nyina obeso wo twetwem na ono ne nua say said ye awesome oman Ghana no obeboa ne keke ama na country are very flourishing the obedience of better fuel. I mean, what is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? And I'm a person President Mahama Baye no said na Kofuado edwari wiem na tese wo waste sika taxpayers every hour bia sika podio dollars ana ehwe o man Ghana no person President Mahama so Baye no contrast one. Why are you guys doing this to mother Ghana? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with the party NPP? What is wrong? Oh, was someone jai sad no say na CPP ya wo mo collapse party no. And na mo fa so no sad na mo no pepe and na mo as a political party MPP mo fa so. And mo cheche basa and the base and wo ha you.
Anti Gabriel.
The base and wo ha.
Anti Gabriel.
Ayeden.
Cheredodo.
Oh. Nasa bibia yamra ana meboa
mrasa moche
the last parliament I mean we bibia was a koto akofo the table so I can say on sign and afenyo markings kana na kululu for president table so there so one sign at the problem member and yen sadan yen so asam fanko Supreme Court.
Well, you're not disappointed in the president now, well, it's not a priority for the government.
You see, the president was taken out of context. What the president said initially in the past, and they said one of the say and they are say bill no parliament we a juma was say one more year no more year bibia ono the ebesin and nice and ne as a president what be sign.
I mean that's
was stated that clearly and so was so bob pressure bia mo fanko parliament. Put pressure on your own members of parliament. Say one more hasting, more activity.
But most of them draw.
I mean, before say I feel because we any sign.
All right,
because the Mahamaka.
So that's it. SOMPA 106.5 FM exactly 47 after 4, 5, 10, 15 thereabouts. We activity lines, Kai number be fresh so 0260 1960 64 0260. When you ya no na waka dem na si sa nipa no de biara da gise mo boka han ka anase mo de ne to ka mu na mato petrol na mo de na ko hospital na wakwaja yare hwe a endpoint there be da bomoden na mo de mo friend number we 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 02742 34321 mo friend number ya yade a nipa no o ma be hwe no yade e wo fie na enye no stroke nko na omosa ana se yade bia ama obi aka wompam nipa no ntimi nje no yade bia wo do mo ntu nsanfro wo number no mo friend number no na mo mehwe nipa no wo fie emma wo na mo yo ba wo ntimi ngo be ma wo ntimi nhye oba nyensen be ma wo jinso ya jinso ro jinso e ba peace uni oba di hye mu akwa pa na walande ana yare kwankro bi na dokro wahra wo brebo mu problems me pa cho bomodin na fa weni kire endpoint homeopathic clinic say yare na kra no say wo mu ntimi nto ase ya they'll help you manage it. So remember the name is Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic. wo hwehwe mo won kran ha wo mo cha kwan e wo shell signboard e wo spin test kwan no so na wo hwehwe mo cha kwan so okumase a wo mo okronom abohia Bombarding na from Ubiwe 0244867068. Again, read them on 02742343321. Now, open massaging any physiotherapy session. Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic has the answer for you. Maminko minia of base movement. Now, but also didn't debut. But also didn't debut. But Lawrence, Mike no, bombarding na so Mike no my Lawrence AJ. Now say no, then na multi base, but one kasa na wo he na wo MPP amanyoku no mana.
Answer na me responding no.
Yeah.
Maminchia mo see for any
chef for Facebook.
Exactly. Me twi no papa nti.
Don't worry.
Any base supporters nyina.
More supporters
base of course. Particularly yen founder, Dr. Otibonso.
Dr. Otibonso?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And then also, let me pass a brief comment on Ibrahim Mama.
Okay, that's good.
E&E.
All right.
From the base perspective, you focus is more on job creation.
Job creation.
And to see a Ghanaian win this, first of all the 4 bidders.
No, we know Ghana for
companies,
sure.
That is good. It's a Ghanaian company that won. And this is a large-scale mining deal. And it brings jobs to Ghanaians.
Sure.
But for base, beyond this, we will wish that government will create opportunity for some significant percent of such mining or minerals to be processed here in Ghana.
In Ghana.
To widen the job opportunities for the youth.
Okay, so the opportunity now say
so it should be well researched.
Me pacho a former good year no 2 year.
That's right.
I was say yeah add value of Ghana ha.
Exactly.
The base for Ghana. So the be man Ghana do addition do na enyuma momaye.
Ebanisa, there will be more work. More work for the youth.
Okay.
But it should be well researched into. Ubeye Bibia, it will have sustainable market.
Sure. That's a good board for almost starting adding value to you.
That's why I'm saying that it's a good thing for good board. And once we are doing this, it's good for all of us.
Okay.
That's our focus. It's not about whether it's this MPP party or that party. It's Ghana and the youth. That's our focus.
Now, also base. Now, what na me bisa? One kasa na we amanyoko bi ni.
Na me MPP.
We MPP ni. Otibo nsuso na no so ye MPP ni. Financier. Atisi ano mododo na no. Ye betimi aka na say mu free MPP mu na aba.
Well, MPP 4.
But mu free MPP mu na aba.
NDC 4. Me wo base. But na me catch you say.
Mu free MPP dodo na free MPP.
Me catch you say. MPP 4 NDC 4 at least minimum a few 1 or 2 CPP background.
Almost more base them.
Any omo politically
inclined,
active.
Okay.
SOMPA FM.
Also joining the base. Until the base is not about MPP or NDC. It's Ghanaian.
But majority of your members say MPP 4.
You are saying that. I have not observed that. I haven't observed that yet.
She said, no, membership, no, what started registration? Membership, no, how wide is it?
Currently, your Greater Accra, Ashanti region, Oti region, Eastern region, Volta region, Western North, Northern, Upper East, Upper West.
Wow.
And Central.
Now, my running membership driver now.
Afina, yes, 30. And the you better launch based no sometime on Monday.
Ejwada mobile launching.
Yes.
Whoa, ewe.
You better no tesano, but you better no to say indoor program, but you better like a walk from circle.
Mobile anti-krumo.
Sir.
Na mo the outdoor, na mo lunch base,
exactly,
no. Whoa, and membership, no. Members no be free mia na aba.
Different regions.
A
few of them will come. I mean, it's a Monday, so. Yeah, expect to say.
Nipa be brave, but who say nipa manti no mo dey share Monday.
Ebia ho a, who say nipa ba na nipa mba.
Ba mo anticipate say nipa ba papa.
Say Monday there and what? Yeah, nyina ebe hu.
And you know, mo financiers no, omo ye hwan mo.
Ye ni 1 or 2 financiers who will say that I financed
the base.
And so pay me back with this or this or no.
Financiers
grassroots thing.
Grassroots thing. Anti munye ska wa hina mo dey ayemo adwuma.
Me ebia me kapre beba. Obisu kapre beba. Na ye kwa no.
And you expect say me be join here or say me dem sika beboa.
Nobody is going to force you. But one kasa, you even love to bring the vision to reality.
But Dr. Tibonswa, you can't want some you scapa. It's a big time contractor. Mo pinyin pa no. So Oscar.
Na say Wabobra
antino. You bet you can say or you're one of your financiers.
I am one of the financiers. Or no say one of the financiers.
But
because me see dia come or no so ni see dia we are all financiers.
Enti munyina na mo ka bo ma ye.
Absolutely.
Na say no a base no a party and a movement. Da be na mo ba be ye party amanyoko.
Yeah, started as a movement.
What started as a movement? But would that transition to be a political party?
Share over time.
Most
likely it will
transit into a political party. And to contest the 2028 general elections, I believe so.
Possibly.
Possibly or true?
Possibly.
Say possibly,
Say we are building blocks. Our expectations are that we will get there. That's why I said possibly we will get there and contest the 2028
elections,
parliamentary and presidential elections.
And the presidential candidate Ben a woman dream
is not cast in stone, but you focus. They say you numbers now. The first person we may consider is to go to Honorable Kennedy Ejapong.
He's a member of the New Patriotic Party, and he's not a member of the New Patriotic Party. He's
not a member of the base.
But he's a member of
the New Patriotic Party.
But how are you taking him from the NPP?
We are going to talk to him.
The motivation is?
And plead with, because of the policies he intended to bring to Ghana, which excites us.
MPP for a man acquiring into the mood of what they pay you.
No.
Oh, wow. But money na kasara, dear.
Nah, currently no. But
money in meeting, yeah.
Oh, no.
But you feel that he's detached from the New Patriotic Party now? Emotionally?
I feel so.
Yes.
It's not about my feelings, though.
But it's about what?
It's about whether he is detached from the New Patriotic Party.
But from where you sit,
from where I sit, he's still with the New Patriotic Party.
A loyal member?
He is a loyal member, as we speak. He is a loyal member.
And I'm more conviction than I say, Kennedy, because you have told me, say, you have not had any conversation with him on that line. So I'm asking, say, are you very hopeful?
Hopeful, yes. The reason is, say, ono
sure,
is in sync with nia base na who say base has a potential of bringing that into reality. Na of course, his focus is on Ghanaians first, so he's likely to respond positively.
And you know, Honorable Alan Chremanting, Omoba Fafanto movement, Butterfly, I transition to UP, this is UP plus. Is that the thinking that a year more base and also more now?
There's a sharp difference. The base, any no
sharp difference near Denga.
One say Honorable Alan Dieno, or no. And our defect here from the party MPP, and then of course pay in Crawford na onya domno na onyo I can say
no the party.
But this is the opposite. Na gather ye we are na ya say or non defect in our belly dear. That's the difference.
Now Odim say Ghana has also check the political history, especially when it comes to our elections. Say party be a baby no, and to me pull even above 5% of the valid votes at the end of the day. Now more bay, what GDP say mobile making some significant inroads when it comes to elections 2020. You have that belief?
Party now who can want them. All the parties, it is one person who leaves or comes out and then he goes to look for people to follow. The reason why ours will succeed is that it is the opposite, like I told you from the beginning.
Well, let me thank you. But Ben, my name is a quick one on this. What's your area, Bema?
Is it the Judy?
Ade.
Is it the Judy?
I don't know.
You always see a bobbies, you know, I'm born a simple crap.
My bobbies is simple.
I'm born simple.
My born is a cementiasi.
I hear you, man. So when I casa kama. Say you man, why in the kama? I'm as you know. I'm not such a busy me actual. I'm a say what once. When me shows I want to once I can move on that. Questions be kwama. Still I don't so be answer. You see how I told once there. So much me once.
But my man you for ni bidu do na also no MPP. Is it not a worry to you, the New Patriotic Party?
Oh, Debbie. Yeah, ma omo akwaba. Oh, nyese en haye party bi eni wono mo enye edom no de adwuma party bia betimi awi ni elections na wa be form aban a edom na ode uhia a de be adwuma so nipa ba akokora wo party mu na so otwe no ho se okwa untimi nka so we de onko okwa enye hwe den a ba akokwa ebe ha dwen nti se enuanom seminua ote SNP say he was an NPP member.
Sure.
But as he say, he belonging to a base. There me hame. Seminua meneno amanyuku bakum. Maybe one or two reasons in office. SSL omonso ekoko Johnny base. No omonso timi emeki one or two move be office. Ebeboano. Hame do. But untimenso nchichiri will be too much. We decided so be bibia untimen nchichiri no. So we are pleading with them. Omo ye MPP for no. Omo ewo base, you know. If there is anything, they should come home. Na yen tenase. Na yen nyina yen kasa ne yen hwehwe niema. Se ne ebe ya ebebo an mani age. Se wo say they are yet to launch the movement. Ejuada. And I think say dia nkomodi kokoso. They have the New Patriotic Party at heart. I don't think say if they don't have the party at heart, ka omu fi MPP ne bia ko mbekwa NDC. But because they have MPP party at heart, and no and amo akwa form omu be. So I wouldn't sit here and say kwa omu kono. Enya dia ebe ha MPP anaze omuko omunko. No, ya de nipa na ye amanyosem. Ti no say omuko na ye ba mienu a. Se omu no ko ye no. Na se ba ko ba ko omu wo ho na ba ko ne beka ho a se kepeja MPP membership no ekwe nim. So they should have rethink of coming back. Se ne be ya yenyina ye be bom na ya ka bom ni aye.
Ba ujitum se eye UP for no. Omo free MPP mu no ha mo kakra ujitum
UP for be
UP plus
Solomon Osumo. Oh, omo de omo ko.
But ha mo in the last election.
No, omo de omo ko omo de omo ko.
Ha mo in the last election.
Oh, Debbie. Omo number.
Then na ha mo na we mo e
no per the research. Ye. Aye di lose elections no Solomon Usu ni obi adom enka ho kra
omo de omo nka
o Debbie omo de omo ye out of cabbage
omo free mo party
na so opposition pressure group bia aye na adwen so person form party bia no unya ne beka ho aye na adwen so person form party bia no unya ne beka ho a wo pe
okay
eno de because se minuanum base ese some adwen no mo ba se UP for no se some adwen no mo ba say your numbers ne be kosoro by no so nkyerese so omo ama the New Patriotic Party amanyuku no yenyina ye na so ebetimi
omo ho a wo mo nye no wo mo be ye
yes agro be so a
efianopa
ena se wa nkasa oti wo siesie na Sam George ka kire Ghana fo nyina se president bia onimi nyansa president bia I'm quoting him president bi onimi nyansa bia no ohia less than 3 months no amakalam say I a thing of the past. President John Dramani Mahama said when you're 15 years. And I don't agree with Sam George so Obeka say president bia onimi nyansa me de minim say you John Dramani Mahama or you be obobe enimi nyansa pa until we are expecting say near Sam George kan no within that 3 months na ke hu say galam say ayatin of the past be anyone mo aye
mame na wase na Ali Ibrahim
anakwase me de me real ho na meta so me TV so radio etie MPP communicators na akoye asresem ne anagie nko
na
asema working me say me real ho na me sorry na sebi once the crap me bottom na me so me TV and I say radio na me etie MPP communicators
na den
e manage
e ma
manage pa
se o mama dane
me nua ya baka say o mama ne age papa asema wake na wa abochi asema wake wa o de we asema was it 2028 election on be
o se kian
said the enti and the base e wa ha movement for change he said you but before some movement for change base
no
you need NPP ni NDC ni bia what defect ko let me set the record straight
now
me say ye ni bi or say
grassroots mobilization
about 100% of more defective for more base, they are MPP sympathizers. Oh,
but you cannot say that.
I mean, no,
senior, he cannot. MPP based on what? I don't know. Person catch say based for 95% MPP.
Abochi,
you can't say that.
Abochi, what be say? One more party head office, the base act to see how more pretty in. Why the mom? Japan. No. I'm telling you that.
Oh, sir.
Me see investigation.
Okay, wait. AJ Lawrence.
Nobody now.
No, wait.
No problem.
Lawrence, now more party, more movement, no more office we are more operating from.
Your regional offices, baby. Na head office no ewo Tesano. When we are launching it near Cardiff.
Okay.
Say you launch here on Monday, you see it.
More rentiana.
They be owned by Otibonsu.
Otibonsu dia.
Oh no, the my.
Ana Otibonsu so dia on the candy.
Or a number.
Or a
number of buildings.
Otibonsu.
No my.
Okay. Well, and so what?
Yeah, so, I mean, investigation, we are journalists. You can also cross-check and verify. Said you make a no crime, not a no crime.
Compare the property.
Most of the regional officer, one more be or more head officer, what else I don't know. Kennedy Japan, a Japadie. It's a fact.
No.
It's a fact.
Wait.
They can take me on.
Debbie.
No.
Debbie. Lawrence, Mammy too.
All the regional offices were donated by individuals from the grassroots. Obi ewo dan Eastern region yenyabi wo, Central region yenyabi wo,
all right,
Northern region yenyabi wo. All these things has nothing. In fact, none of them belong to Kennedy Ojipo. Apart from headquarters now, it belonging to Otibonsu. All the rest do not belong to Otibonsu.
Anti honorable Kennedy Japan. Ne hu embom mu baby. Ne hu bom mu baby.
Oh, won't say.
Ana ne hu bom mu baby.
Won't say. Like I said. One can say Otibonsu. He used to sponsor NPP.
Sure.
He is also related to Kennedy. And by all means, Ubeti Kakra. But the grassroots are louder than, of course.
And you know.
What a dear. Abochi, my show me time. Oh. Abochi.
Bebato Bebato Ali Mami.
Abochi. My main commend Kennedy Ohene Japan. In fact, me Donny or a very strategic politician. And I'm more away. One him say, and idea this strategy were adopted. A betting man by a president.
And I'm on no.
Oh, now it's obvious.
Then
you can believe, or you can refuse.
What do
to
you
believe.
know that we don't know?
I'm saying what is happening. This base whole thing is the master planner. Hey, Kennedy Japan. You can decide not to believe that, but time will tell. So I just say, but I'm commending Kennedy Ohene Japan. Say, such strategy I will adopt to. I'm my respect because what them say
he's not adopting any strategy.
Well,
as far as I know.
Well, you can decide not to believe. But what I'm saying is when we have investigated the abato, a crime, no. We are convinced to say no, and idea what person, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, a president of the Republic of Ghana. Now was it on himself highly incompetent.
Oh, really?
Kennedy Japan business wa Ghana how? Our business ahodo e Ghana.
That's what
economy we nyina na yemfa e man Dr. Bawumia.
That's on your man penyin da.
Why your man penyin na economy na previous administration one edition nsa. Economy no president Akufo-Addo etunanum tuo e say on the about proper economic management wonim eno to na kofa Dr. Bawumia e baaye. One share all the economic indicators in on the head of the economic management team and vice president. No failure, not failure. What is Tiano El Comano? So, say a peco and they offer the base emra. Now, a movement for change. One month when you're more dear, they say 38% now, 1%, 2028 election one ya no mo teso eba 18%.
Me that say me that say but AJ what is the relationship between the base party Kennedy Japan and then Honorable Alan Chirmantin? Do they have some correlation? Me please on your mic for me. Do they have some correlation?
Correlation in terms of their personal relationship and the relationship between the movements.
The movements.
The movement, I will say that, like I said earlier, there's rather a difference between what Alan did and what Base like I said, is the opposite. Though the focus is still to take over governance of Ghana, of course, for a period. But Yempai Boni say, Alan,
sure,
any Nidom will come and join us one day.
The base.
The base one day. Yempai Boni say, others like Cheda and all the rest. Yempai Boni say,
Baba joining the base.
Baba joining. Yempai Bo.
Mumpai Bo. That's what you are praying for.
Any more enya nkitahon officially.
Munio Wedinkomo officially.
No.
You have not had any official conversation with them.
Not official.
But you are yet to.
We are yet to.
Okay. Let's hold it. But now KBB say, Lawrence, now KBB say, unim NDC former constituency chairman bia wabe join them party.
Mean Bonnie day. But meaning former MC. Mean you say on him chairman. But meaning former MC.
Former MC.
Yes.
Under NDC.
Yes.
Wabe join the base.
Yes.
I've
not gotten his permission.
His permission to mention his name. But can you give us a clue? Can you give us a clue too?
No, I won't.
You won't.
No. But you see, just a quick one.
Yeah.
See,
maybe for calls.
I think say I will advise Menuanom basic for say ebeya ka womo enko movement for change. Alan na so na womo ne nkasa. Na womo ntime partner emra because this year no kamia ko say ye ni strong
mama now say me ba so bet me friend 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Yeah, me pa so wana me ne ka say. Yes. Me pa so me ho ye na Udin. Elliot. Okay. Elliot, what are my into why?
Me catch ye ni anu mo hono fe enye Ghana for ipese Ghana kwe ye mai anunti ye politics so me catch o must enemy say NDC anune your power President Mahama anune leader o ye Ghana ni on free baby so let's come together. Yes, supported President Mahama to map a reset agenda, President Mahama by Yes, supported Papa. Wait. What's that? That is NDC, NCP. Of political party via matter, near the bit yaga. So, President Mahama, reset agenda. We are supporting you. We are supporting because we must start the Mama Yema Ghana.
All right. Mami now I say. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Mami. Hello, good evening.
Abochi.
Yeah, me pacho wana me ne ka say.
Abochi we wa omi abema na amu afo a me ka be esdoy. Awo aye so no point.
All right, what are pacho my NTO?
National chairman of MPP, you are Honorable Boachi Ejako. The number of us must be. Abochi, Mestre MPP and it is very important. I can have the other party in and your MPP and your MPC. To me, Abochi, what of my Ghana example. The same to be said, some of my Ghana yet here. May you start our Ghana. The piano you need. Let me see how far you want to help Capaso. The chat for Jamie, put the for Jamie, We ain't seen no, you ain't seen no, why you're talking to me, you ain't seen no, and work of no hair, photo. Now, and therefore, Koa, Shadi, 4 man of the two companies of the other one. The third home of my Ghana. And I was dead to go, oh, dear, property, I don't see some talking anyway. And that's the best offer. And
you know, Opacha say base na eba na wo support power.
Any party there be the best support. Here we talk this Africa the omo. About you say your party no ha. You need to send you for another MPP. They don't know pray about one. Ogo na go power in the papa be more. The one say anya MPP.
But mama so ube person over join the base no.
Abochi, the city are no one is here to be the MPP. That the machine here, they are forced to go much a client. I know, yes, it's not MP. Come can say, cannot be a transient. No from that.
Me that say, Obijin, my men and Casa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacha wana men and Casa.
I saw never a
hey, Nanama.
Yes,
ma feel brutal. Yeah, ma feel brutal. Nana ma intiwe.
Yo, Abochi.
Yes.
Me ready to go to the la me tia ba ba unia. Na me tia John Brodu adi tese. Na me tia Haja Kafia Mohammed. Ni obi ba ke so fi ampo so John Mahama. Me catch the MPP in for say. Mo bia nya na agent opopopo to Mahama. NPP wa abenja so no. Mahama wan support to President Akufo-Addo and the vice Dr. Bawumia da. Wo go ni chi go ni chi doctor bibia Akufo-Addo ye bia na Bawumia nya na tell hospital school adam so ado wo bia na joke. Wo say Akufo-Addo anya chi. Ada wo ye official. He can give a time, and also all years with your money to them. So, see a part. Okay, and if you move on, I remember one time, Kaya, one of them for me, in some part for 18 cities. 18 cities, so, but I want to be told, I want to say 18 cities. 18 cities. So, about 2 ways, and you must support to be
me that's in another so by hello, good evening.
Good evening, Nova.
Yeah, me pacha wana men na kase wadaro ma. Wadafo do kase free. Okay, good. My deal. Me pacha you, meet you.
Mata yoso so bi fe no bi atam kase sa no wa president man.
Me that's.
Fun abantan kan mata. Because Mata, if you are very haircut, Mata, sika praba na manfo outside it for ayare for na manfo anache and go ayan for ma batanta so am lo for di ma ya ko ndo for mu emma
me ba talk kawasam ne
okay the big character NDC party Mata so yi ne ti Ghana inside there obi ni aban yi ni ho odin Ghana keseme ndika chomba na oto do there Baba ya to sen omnambeka NDC na omutibi party
Lawrence Eje o se Baraka NDC o
amra na new criminal stance and the chief
hello, good evening.
Abotina design.
Me ba so e be ho ye one am na ka say.
Paul,
all right, Paul, what am I into why?
Me chaya ma me akosabu.
Omo nyina ajewo so ko wani.
Ka me kan say. Ni NDC ni no say Akufo-Addo so edwane wa du. That ma we nya na yedi luso. Nya na yedi wi ni so. Ke e kom de o man man na wa hunu ka. Na o de ma we ba. No belu so ni so be. Na kana Japan so wata. That yi na ji aka me pepa.
Wata base chi na nka o pepa ho.
Me na me ka kire o. Wono wo a me ti ma ba ho. Me kira ti ti aba ho.
O sa
me na me ka kire o. E ti no se me di ka kire so ne. O mo ye me ni me ye su foto se yo go ba ye jegu wa ma andi ti abepa adi $1. Na mo de mo tena wa ma andi ti abepa. Ade ba se bi. E ti kana Japan ye kan kra ho.
Me that say. Hello, good evening.
Can I go on Yadi or baby? Horrible from Cantaman to Accra, Ghana.
Maybe I told my auntie.
I bring you my money. You talking about Abanga. National Chairman, the open to watch it on one echo. They can't among one and Amazon here. They say it should be a tea. Among
yeah. Call him. Call him.
Mama Bridge and Bafom. Both fruit 4 city, and then both fruit 5 city, and 7 city. Could I a tongue 4 city, a good walk to town, and then 7 city, 8 city. More than inflation come from. I never be a better go through. I didn't want to buy a phone. I never fought for demonstration. What more threat? I won't go demonstration. And if you are the crime, I got 1 city. ABOTCHIE, I can't make you, Papa, Yabema. I don't know.
Yabema, in the brown.
Somebody can blood city hall. Pioneer, you were some desert. I could go down. I could go down. I could go to but from 10%. Yabema do the TV. So, Kasama, the call in team.
Okay. Would any Yabema bedding come? Hello, good evening. Yeah, me patch one a minute, I say.
Egu. Every party no egu. It is a MPP party no egu.
Me patch a frozen.
ABC.
Okay, me patch Kawasa me quick one. 1 minute.
1 minute.
We need break.
And comma. You are Shama, or communication officer. Man kono post na yahuza
ba to Kawasa be yanko enen kwa wan che wan say
me fa yahuza okon organizer wo 2.20 say me want me to man house we before did ya make catch me say mukasa me say NGC square mo plan ba go to me catch and before what NGC me tell Entina Ghana for majority in parliament. Omukawa enyema omukube to you. Don't go matem.
Me that say you overcast my enye de atwaso. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, me patch one minute ka say.
ABOTCHIE we you ya be ma
Ejakwabran patch ko enim de yanko why?
ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
NDC about show is wa omkasa nyakonya dia omse amama papa ana bani kuyi ana papa kebo kwa adama papa e ko gana ABOTCHIE
yeah
papa na airport no blend fuel 1 liter e dey series nana papa na hapa no na nega na mabu aye aduma oba 1 year na chia aban 20 omkai no atia abawo ya ya amane patika pata wa ya kama na say so but that on an administered this is she will also work at home 87%. Now I beg me for also work at 9%.
All right, Maminda Wasel, let me do the last call. Hello, good evening. You, me patona offering you chatro. Pato body tell mama me brena ibe.
Kwa teme kata fit mamenti ya MVP fanifuna.
Okay.
Na men kan MVP ni na wote di on say aya de pa. Na ABOTCHIE min kata unum say president mama 8 months ni mining site me zama odi ama Ibrahim Mahama. Na ye pese buta president mama de sigana anu ye nu ofia onim dia obetu dia tu mining say Ibrahim Mahama nko ana say ni play now odi man tu kwa na hu ateda na odi dana na.
Maminda wase ebusia for yeko. Ali 30 seconds then aka.
Well, because we are Ghana for you now, say, Omonya abai mujidi, John Dramani Mahama, epese o my Ghana be crabbe.
Maminda wase.
So Omon Koswa no mon support to abai and research your buying o my Ghana be on ton.
Mira say Ali Ibrahim. Mira,
NDC there 15 months there. I want to check say no me o my na fam. But e bompaye Ghana for nya ahotoyem. No man show mo sapomunsu na 2028 there. Wa ya de a Ira John Dramani Mahama de bia me catch us wa sheda opesu ogu NDC no okọ because ono no nya de obe contest ni tini oye nyina wa sheda ogu NDC
me da say hey Lawrence J agbere won ya onta no wie Ghana lo
the base Ghana first won che mo fiamu ye fra obia omo be join e na ye ma Ghana enye krabehwe ye be more jobs ama youth So everybody should come and join the base.
All right, I mean, I'll say Lawrence Ajay, the base movement. Thank you so much for coming. And then my good brother, Ali Ibrahim, thank you so much for also coming. And I mean, Benjamin Asare also made us